Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two stars Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, October the 18th, 2023. Told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of yesterday. Yesterday, October the 17th, 2023. We have already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, with 1 star, and this one you are interested. 2 star Sudoku. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know, but it will be number 7294. 7294. Yeah, 7294. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 30 printed digits. Well, ain't a 2 stars puzzle because 2 stars puzzle usually it has 26 printed digits, 4 digits more. Yeah, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. All right, for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. I don't think it's a 2 stars. I think it's a 1 star or 0 stars. And for 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 50 minutes. We'll see. All right. So let's get started. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 5. Should be there. Then three missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. Well, we have 1 in this column, big square, so no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Only place left the 1, should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. I think this should be a 7 because we have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 3 should be in this column. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the mother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see 2 in the first row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the third row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 2. Alright. Okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 5, and 6. All right. And now. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the mother 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see how 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Then, how about, yeah, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 1, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 179, 179, 179, and look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. No 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last row for number 9. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6, okay. Then. 2, 5. 4, 7, 3. No. 4, 7, and then 9. In the 9, yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then need a 9 here. Need a 9 there also. Then, come on. Need a 3 here. 3 and a 4, 3, 4, and 8. Here can be an 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 8. We need an 8 in the first column. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the first column should be there. Then 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column. 1. Oh wait, we have a pair. 1 and a 9 in the last column. 1 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 9 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. Then 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Well, Well. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only place left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5. Should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the model. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and a 4. Here also 3 and a 4. And 1 box left in this first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Wow. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and a 4, I believe. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Here also the same numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Same numbers. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 6. Goes there, finish in 11 minutes. Wow. Well, told you, need to be faster than 40 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. Until then, bye-bye for now.